Formation of the Earth. Our planet has not always existed. In fact, the Earth is a relatively young planet. Scientists believe that the universe may be 13.7 billion years old, but Earth, along with the rest of our solar system, was born only about 4.6 billion years ago. Plant's birth. Our solar system formed from a gas and dust cloud. Solar system. Scientists have built up a picture of our solar system's birth, as the planets were slowly formed around the Sun. Greater than how big is the Earth? Satellite measurements show it is 40,030 kilometers around the equator and 12,757 kilometers across. The diameter between the poles is slight or less, by 43 kilometers. Greater than what was the early Earth like? The early Earth was a fiery ball. It took 500 million years for its surface to cool and form hard crust. As it cooled, the Earth gave off gases and water vapor, which formed the atmosphere. Greater than what is the Earth made of? The Earth has a core consisting mostly of iron and a rocky crust made mostly of oxygen and silicon. It between is the soft, hot mantle of metal silicates, sulfides and oxides. Greater than what shape is the Earth? The Earth is not quite a perfect sphere. The spinning of the planet causes it to bulge at the equator. Scientists describe Earth's shape as geoid, which simply means Earth-shaped. The poles, the Earth's most northerly and southerly spots, are the points the Earth spins around. Greater than how old are oceans? The oceans were formed between 4.2 and 3.8 billion years ago. As the Earth cooled, clouds of steam became water, creating vast oceans. Old rock. The Earth's oldest rock is about 4.374 billion years old. Top question. How did the Earth begin? Around 4.6 billion years ago, a cloud of gas and dust swirled around our newly formed Sun. Gradually, the grains of dust and gas were pulled together into clumps became the Earth and the other planets on our solar system.